we are, Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Looking at this good looking orange and black streaker body, 2015 EZGO TXT. Does have a 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. It has the 10-inch rocks orange and black wheels coupled with the 20 by 10 by 10 Mojave rocks all-terrain tires. See the good looking orange and black streaker body there. It does have the LED headlights, tail lights, turn signals, brake lights. It's got our base street legal package on it. Come around here, we got the dual USB ports here right inside the dash there. Pop that closed. Open this up. We do have the 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine in it. Does have the brand new battery, brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter. We changed the engine oil, changed the oil filter, spark plug. I did a full tune-up on it. Checked the engine and clutch out, ready to go on that. Does carry a 1-year dealer warranty on that. It does have the rear flip fold rear seat. So right now it's in the 4-passenger seating capacity. Fold that down, now you have your cargo area. Pop it right back up, easy as that. 4-passenger seating. Up underneath here we have our lighted rear license plate bracket. With this we also put a 2-inch EZGO factory lift kit on it to get these 10-inch wheel and tire, all-terrain tire on there. So that makes it fit. So very, very nice cart. Does have headlights and taillights as I mentioned earlier. There's your headlights on. Got those on. Does have bright lights. Does have 4-way flashers. Does have a horn on it. So hey, give us a call, 419-238-2732. Get out here today, take your test drive on this. Speaking of your test drives, let's go for a quick little spin. So off we go. Turn her around. And cruise the parking lot here. Got a nice ride on this cart. Like I said, it's 2015 EZGO TXT gas engine, 13.5 horse Kawasaki. So get out here to 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Check this baby out, get on it, take it for a drive. Load her up on your trailer, load her up on your truck, do whatever you want to do, get her home. Again, 883 North Washington Street, 419-238-2732. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you.